Hey you guys, it's Nini and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be talking about tips for your first 3 Amazon influencer videos. I'm talking about shoppable videos, and I'm going to be showing you guys examples, real life examples of my shoppable videos and breaking them down, showing you what I did and talking about what I say to create these videos. So before anything, I always suggest you guys do your research. Remember, this is my disclaimer. This is not official advice. I do not officially represent Amazon. I am just giving you my own opinions and showing you what I do to create these types of videos. And as always, I always recommend, if you guys want a guide to help you with this type of content, definitely check out my Becoming a Product Reviewer ebook and video guide. It's an instant download and you can learn on your phone at your own pace. Let's get started. Let's try on this sundress. I have it in the size XL. It has slits on each side of the dress. It fit really nicely and felt really flowy and comfortable. Here's a look at what it looks like on me. So in video example number 1, I am doing a try on. I am explaining what size I'm wearing and some of the key aspects of the dress. So let's talk about and break down this video. So I'm showing the product, and you don't always have to try it on, but this particular example, I'm trying the product on and demonstrating how I use the product. So I'm talking about this different features. It has slits on the sides. It also has pockets. So I'm showing that because that's a key thing that a lot of people look for when they're shopping for that type of dress. I'm also giving my overall opinion, kind of having fun with it. This one is more casual, and it's also content that I repurposed. This was more so a social media post, and I just repurposed it to make it a shoppable video. So that is video number 1. Let's get into the second video example. Here's a look at the Infinity Pro by Conair 1 1/4 inch curling iron. Here's a close-up on the temperature gauges and buttons that it comes with in the glove. Okay, you guys, this is more of a UGC style video, and I talk about different types of product review videos that you can use to kind of like stream your creativity in my Becoming a Product Reviewer ebook. But this video is one that is faceless. I'm showing more so how the product comes packaged, which can be important because a lot of people want to know, is this something that I have to assemble, or is it going to be simple, already in the box, ready to go? I'm also talking about its key features, like things that it comes with. This is a hot tool, and it came with a heat resistant glove. A lot of people look for hot tools that come with that, especially if they need it for doing their hair. And I'm really just focusing on the product. It's a clear view of the product, not a lot of distracting things in the background. All right, y'all, let's move into the last video, example number 3. Here's all that comes with the budget binder wallet. The wallet unzips, and this is in the color black. It comes with a built-in calculator, spaces for cards, a 6-ring binder, and a flap on both sides. It also has a hook for a pin. It comes with these stickers, as well as 3 sheets of labels. It also comes with budget sheets and cash envelopes that are already hole punched, so you can add them right to your binder. So this form of product review video is a lot longer than the other examples that I showed you guys because it comes with a lot of different features, and I really want to highlight it because this product is a budget binder. There's a lot of listings for budget binders, and each product comes with different accessories. So I took the time to highlight all the accessories that came with this product because those things may be the defining factor of whether somebody buys this or not, opposed to something else. So I not only show what the product looked like, but I'm doing kind of like a combination of the first video example and the second video example. I have the product up close, but I'm still showing myself, although I'm focusing as well on the product. I'm also showing all the features that it comes with. Like I said, the specific stickers and tools to use to budget, which is what most people probably would be buying this product for. I'm going over each one quickly, and that video, like I said, was a little bit longer, but I had a lot more to show. One more resource that I use aside from my ebook on Becoming a Product Reviewer is my video review tracker. I review a lot of different products, and in order to keep track of everything, I did create an entire sheet to help me kind of like log everything and keep track of how many videos, if any, I've created for each product. So if this is something that you do often, you may be interested in it. I will put the link to my Becoming a Product Reviewer ebook and video guide that comes together, as well as the video review tracker in the description of this video below. They're both available on my website, and I hope that this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, make sure you put it in the comments. I'd love to talk to you there. And if this video helped you at all, make sure you give it a thumbs up. As always, you guys, I continue to encourage you to create, be patient, and grow. And I will talk to you guys in the next video very, very soon. Bye, guys.